In this video, we're going to talk about how easy it is to secure business funding at 0% interest. You could easily get between $60,000 and $80,000 in your first round. Imagine liquidating those cards and injecting that money into your business, a down payment on a house, or any other need without affecting your personal credit. It doesn't max out your personal credit, as the utilization is on the business side. I'll cover a few banks, explain where they pull from, and highlight strategies. Some of these banks may require you to open an account and establish a relationship first. Even if you have excellent credit, it's best to open an account and season it for at least 90 days. That way, you'll likely receive a higher credit line. The first bank I want to discuss is Mant Bank. They offer business credit cards and often pull from Experian. Many people have secured business credit cards and lines of credit without documentation by building a relationship with Mant. This includes opening a bank account, seasoning it, making deposits, and showing activity. But remember, overdrafts can hurt your chances of approval, so keep the account in good standing. Next, we have Chase Bank, one of my favorites, which often grants high limits on business credit cards. I've seen people get up to $150,000 on one card by building a relationship with a business banker. After maintaining a Chase account for a few years, they opened an LLC and built a strong relationship, securing a high-limit card. American Express is another excellent option. If you already have a personal American Express card, you can get their Business Blue Cash card with 12 months interest-free, and it's a soft pull. Citizens Bank is another bank that offers business credit cards, typically pulling from Equifax. While they've become a bit stricter, it's still possible to get a line of credit without documentation if you play your cards right. Bank of America is a gem. With a business relationship manager, some people have received 2 business credit cards with only one hard inquiry, typically pulling from TransUnion. Finally, there's Elin Bank of New Hampshire, which pulls from TransUnion. By applying across these banks strategically, you could easily get $60,000 to $80,000 in funding, or even up to $150,000. But remember, this is only possible with excellent personal credit. Build your personal credit first by having at least 3 personal credit cards, 1 short-term installment, and 1 long-term installment account before applying for business credit. An exit strategy is essential. Know why you need the funds, how you'll use them, and how you'll repay them. Credit can unlock limitless opportunities, so treat it carefully.